Here's a quick tip for using this product here. I'd actually put on there, you see, the satin glazing liquid created by Golden. Actually, it slows down your acrylics in your drying time of when you need it, but it's also used for something else. Let me show you about glazing. I have this acrylic painting here that I've done, and I want to go ahead and add a little bit of coolness to the shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it with it. See right here, I've got these colors here: ultramarine blue, a burnt sienna. I also have my white, I have yellow ochre, and a lemon yellow for any highlights I might want to do. And right in the middle of it is the satin finish. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to mix some ultramarine blue. I don't have any burnt umber, so unfortunately, so let me go ahead and use the burnt sienna. All right, that'll cool that down some. Okay. Now I just put a little bit of thin this down some. You see, it almost makes it black anyway. Got a little bit of a blue tint. Kind of reminds me of a Payne's Gray. Payne's Gray actually has a bluish tint to it. Let's go ahead and get a couple of these shadows here on this painting. At the bottom of this leaf here, you see it's pretty transparent. But you can add some shadows in that way. Starting at the bottom of these here. You can see how it's very translucent. This has a little bit of extra to it. A little bit of extra coolness for the shading of it. This should be mostly shadow in here. Now you could thin it down with water, but the problem with just using water is it's going to dry you so fast. You're not going to have much time to really work with it. See how that just adds that little bit extra to it? Look how I did on the bottom down here. On these two leaves here. All right, let's do underneath the bottom here. Let's go ahead and add some to the bottom of this apple here, which is in this shade. See if we make that pop a little bit more. We get a bigger brush. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put some in here across this shadow here. We're gonna cool these down and darken them up just a little bit here. That's a mixture of burnt sienna, ultramarine blue. Whoops. Mix a little bit more here. Right where you think there's lighting's coming in through this way here. Okay. That glazing liquid works for very nice across here. Okay. And a little bit more. Let's go ahead and do a little bit across these white flowers too. Let those pop a little bit also. I don't know if you can tell the difference in it, but that makes for great glazing. There you go.